How do I get a cron-like scheduler in Python? I'm looking for a library in Python which will provide at and cron-like functionality. I'd quite like have a pure Python solution, rather than relying on tools installed on the box. This way I run on machines with no cron. For those unfamiliar with cron, you can schedule tasks based upon an expression like. The cron time expression syntax is less important, but I would like to have something with this sort of flexibility. If there isn't something that does this for me out the box, any suggestions for the building blocks to make something like this would be gratefully received. Edit. I'm not interested in launching processes, just jobs also written in Python, Python functions. By necessity I think this would be a different thread, but not in a different process. To this end, I'm looking for the expressivity of the cron time expression, but in Python. Cron has been around for years, but I'm trying to be as portable as possible. I cannot rely on its presence.
If you're looking for something lightweight, check out Schedule. Disclosure: I'm the author of that library.
You could just use normal Python argument passing syntax to specify your cron tab. For example, suppose we define an event class as below. Note: not thoroughly tested. Then your cron tab can be specified in normal Python syntax as. This way you get the full power of Python's argument mechanics, mixing positional and keyword args, and can use symbolic names for names of weeks and months. The cron tab class would be defined as simply sleeping in minute increments, and calling check on each event. There are probably some subtleties with daylight savings time zones to be wary of though. Here's a quick implementation. A few things to note: Python's weekdays, months are zero indexed, unlike cron, and that range excludes the last element. Hence syntax like 1 to 5 becomes range 0, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you prefer cron syntax, parsing it shouldn't be too difficult however.
More or less same as above but concurrent using Jevant Smile.
None of the listed solutions even attempt to parse a complex cron schedule string. So, here is my version, using Cron. Basic gist. Helper routines.
Possible